Lithium batteries have become the powerhouse behind our portable electronics, from smartphones to electric vehicles. However, to ensure longevity and optimal performance, proper maintenance is crucial. In this article, we'll explore essential tips for maintaining lithium batteries and getting the most out of your devices. 1. Avoid extreme temperatures. Lithium batteries are sensitive to temperature extremes. High temperatures can accelerate degradation, while low temperatures can reduce efficiency. Store and use devices in moderate temperatures to prolong battery life. 2. Optimal charging practices. Charge your lithium batteries regularly, but avoid overcharging. Most modern devices are equipped with smart charging circuits that prevent overcharging, but it's still advisable to unplug when fully charged. Aim for a charging range of 20–80% to maximize battery cycle life. 3. Calibration matters. Some devices benefit from occasional calibration. This involves fully discharging and then fully recharging the battery. Check your device's manual to see if calibration is recommended and follow the instructions provided. 4. Update firmware and software. Manufacturers often release updates that optimize battery performance. Keep your device's firmware and software up to date to benefit from the latest enhancements, including improvements in power management. 5. Mindful discharging. While lithium batteries don't suffer from the memory effect like older battery technologies, it's still good practice to allow your device to discharge partially before recharging. This helps maintain a healthy charge-discharge cycle. 6. Store batteries properly. If you're storing a device or spare batteries for an extended period, ensure they are partially charged around 40–60%. Extreme charge levels during storage can lead to capacity loss. Store batteries in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. 7. Invest in quality chargers. Cheap or counterfeit chargers may not have the necessary safety features, potentially causing damage to your lithium battery. Stick to reputable brands and use chargers designed for your specific device. 8. Avoid deep discharges. While occasional deep discharges won't harm lithium batteries, frequent deep discharging can reduce their lifespan. Try to keep the battery level above 20% whenever possible. 9. Monitor background apps. Running multiple background applications can increase the load on your device's battery. Periodically check and close unnecessary apps to optimize battery performance. Proper lithium battery maintenance is a small investment that pays off in extended battery life and sustained performance. By following these tips, you'll not only maximize the lifespan of your lithium batteries, but also contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly use of technology.